How's it going, Lemons? Now, before this video starts off, squeeze that like button. Let's try to get to 10 likes on this video. If you want to see more Tech Lemyn videos pop up in your feed. I'm going to be showing you how to edit just a simple thumbnail, how I like to make my thumbnails for my YouTube videos on Photoshop 17, Adobe Photoshop 17. Now what you want to do is, 1, have Photoshop installed. 2, choose the file, the picture that you want to make your thumbnail, preferably 1920 by 1080p. But you want to go to File, Open, or you can just click Control O, and then choose the picture that you want. Now, what you want to do is you want to make a copy of this, and now, easy way to do that, if you click Control J, it makes like a little copy of it right here. And sorry right now in advance, you can like see all this right in here, but like it's cut off like a little right here. I don't know the reasoning. Really, I don't know the reasoning. I have my OBS set up right. I think it's just because my monitor is really big. I have no clue. I don't even know if that's even right. I'm just saying nonsense. But now, to make the outer, see, I'm editing the thumbnail right now of the Celebrations Elite Trainer box for the 25th anniversary set for Pokemon, and that video will be down in the description. If you haven't checked that out yet, please go give that video some love, show some love. Go subscribe to Wook on YouTube and his Twitch, Wook Gaming. Links are in every single video of mine, and I actually opened up the ETB with him, so go show him some love as well. If you've seen in my thumbnails that I have like a glow around like certain things, now this is the same process if you want to glow individual colors around different things. Like say if I wanted to make my hand glow green, the box glow tie-dye, rainbow, something, I don't know. We'll just do this process separately. But what you want to do is go over here to the magic wand tool and click on the quick selection tool. And what you do, just click on everything you want selected. And when you're clicking, you can adjust the size right there. But wow, my eyes hurt so bad. You're left clicking to select it all. But if you want to deselect stuff, like right up in there, I don't want to have that. I don't want to make that glowing. If you hold in the Alt key, you see a minus pops up. You can get that out of your thingy. Obviously, if I wanted to, I could really get into like detail. Like if you hold Control Plus, you can like come over here. If you were actually getting paid on Photoshop by someone to like edit something, you would obviously do a better job than this like quick thumbnail tutorial. You'd put more work and detail into it to make it just right for that person. Okay, so once you have your image selected that you want to glow around, click Control J, and that makes it itself into there, its own little thingy. I've been working on all this as soon as I got home from work. I'm actually on my 5-day weekend. Every 3 weeks I get 5 days off in a row, just how the schedule rotates, and I get all my hours every week. It's pretty cool. That's like one of the things I like about my job is the schedule. One of the things. Right click on layer 2, click blending options. Yeah, once you have that selected, now here comes the text. So you can just click on the text tool, tool thingy. Okay, right here I'm gonna put Wook X Lemyn. Wook X Lemyn for our collab, and then I'm gonna click the you can change the font, add fonts in, and all that, and click the check mark. Now if I click Control T, I can adjust and hold Shift while you drag. I can control all that while keeping its aspect ratio. You can click the thingy. Now if you right click, click blending options. We can go to stroke, and you see it gives like a little black outline. You can like adjust the size, you know. Don't want it that high. I like to keep mine like around an 8. You know, that looks pretty good. You can click OK. Now I can also add an outer glow to this, which I am going to do. I'm going to make the outer glow this yellow. Now I'm going to also add another image, and I can show you how to add images onto your thumbnail. You go to File, Open, and then I'm going to click on Desktop. I'm going to go to Thumbnails, wherever that is. And I'm going to scroll until I get to the image that I want. I'm going to double click on it. Now, see, these are in two separate, they're both separate or whatever. You know, you can click Window, click Arrange. You can click all, tile all vertically, all horizontally, it does not matter. Then you click on this icon right up here, the move tool, and then you can just drag and drop. You can X out of that, and now you have this. You can add this wherever. I'm going to add this to like right in here. And then I can add some more text into the thumbnail. Pokemon Celebrations ETB opening. You know, I'm going to add one more text to this, and it's going to be 25th anniversary set. And yeah, this is like the basics of Photoshop. You know, I'm not the best at Photoshop. I'm still in the process of learning it. Like, I'm not professional. I know the basics of it. And, you know, to me, this is pretty good. You know? Obviously, if I was getting paid to do something, I'd put more, like, detail into it. Like, see how, like, the figures are kind of, like, cut weird from when I was, like, selecting it. I'd actually, like, zoom in and, like, make sure it's, like, precise and actually, like, well done for the final product. If I'm being like, you know what I mean, feel me? Now to save this, right, just click File, Save As, and then, you know, it says Photoshop PSD for the Photoshop file type, for the format. You want to change that to JPEG, JPEG. Click on that, and now it pops up there. And I'm gonna go to desktop. I'm gonna go to Lemyn Twistt, Wook X Lemyn, and here is the final product right there. Pokemon Celebrations Elite Trainer Box Opening ETB's 25th Anniversary Set Wook X Lemyn Collab. But yeah, this is like the basics of Photoshop, and if you enjoyed, please squeeze that like button. Let's try to get to 10 likes. Now I gotta go because my girlfriend is FaceTiming me, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day and night. Peace out and stay safe out there, lemons.